Alright, this is going to be a little bit more detailed video on the camper trailer motorcycle carrier build that I made. So this, you've probably seen it in, if you've been watching my videos, seen it already in action in the past couple of ones. Took it to the Over and Out event at Fox. Today I'm at Moto Ventures. Didn't bring a bike because I was going to be doing trials bikes, so I didn't have to bring my own. But normally there is a bike in the front. If you haven't seen what that looks like, I'll post a picture video right now. But this is the final setup. So it's nice and compact. It's built on a 4x8 trailer that's been super reinforced. Throughout this video, as I'm narrating it though, I will be posting little pictures here and there so you can see like what I was talking about. So let's just do a quick walk around and then we'll go through the setup. So as you can see, it has windows on both sides, single door on one side, welded. Let's get the sun glare out of the way. Fenders. So originally it had, I think, 12-inch tires. These are now 15-inch tires because most of the time I was going to be taking this out was going to be on places like this, dirt trails, off-roading. So I needed a little bit more clearance and I wanted something a little bit more capable. I should probably upgrade the ones on the car as well, but so that's the outside. This right here, which we'll see, it's where the ladder slides in and out. I don't have it set up right now. I'll post a picture of what that looks like as well. So a nice little step to get up there because it is a little tall. And then you have a door. A normal camper door comes with a screen door that I can close if I wanted to be inside. So excuse the mess real quick. So let's see if we can get this. So I have a memory foam mattress underneath. I think it's a 4-inch memory foam mattress rested on top of, there's a box in here. Let's see if I can lift it with one hand. It's kind of heavy. So more under bed storage. It's about 8 inches high, and it's a 30 by 70, if I'm not mistaken, 30 by 70 mattress. So got blankets on here. The little buddy heater usually goes in the back, which we're going to open in a second. Just some lighting, just accented candles. When I set up the canopy today, I didn't. Normally there would be a 10 by 10 canopy up front, and then I can set up chairs and whatever. Has hooks on the top for tarps or anything I want to set up as well. I can just hook that onto that. But I didn't set any of that up because I wasn't going to be here that long. But here's the canopy in its nice little bag. I have a video of this one. I'll just post a picture of what it's a normal 6x6. Or I carry the 10 by 10 canopy. But right now, most of the time, I'm going to be carrying the 6x6. So I just keep it in there for storage and travel. This right here, you can see here, are the, what are they called? Jacks. I still have to bolt them on or weld them onto the back just to stabilizing jacks, that's the word. So right now, I just have them loose, but they were dirty, so I put them in a bag. But they're just loose, and I can set one up on each side. But today I didn't even unhitch from the car, so just left it there, leveled, no issues there. What do I have? Ceiling fan. So it's just not AC, just your regular fan with lighting. So let's actually turn this around real quick. So here on the left side, there's 2 buttons. There's this one down here and this one way up there. So this is just a simple on-off switch. It's not going to be bright right now, obviously, but that lights up, turns it off. Super bright, but right now you can't tell because the sun's right behind us. So it lights up this entire thing. That's all you need for this. But I do have a light over there, which I have in the red setting. I don't know if you guys ever had any of those camping lights that it's easier on the eyes when it has that red lighting. So that one I can just turn on from there. Carbon monoxide and thermostat and smoke detector all in one setup in that corner. Right now, as you can see, it says ECH. It's insulation. I think it says RTEC or something, but I just cut up insulation that I had left over, and all I did was cut it to the window so I can block out light and just keep it insulated in case cold temps and things like that. They just pop into the window, and I can just pop them out whenever I need them. Windows do slide open, and it also has a mesh screen, or you can open it fully if you wanted to. This is outside light, which is controlled by the other control up top. It has two settings, the white and the amber setting. Let's close this up. Then here on the outside, let's see if I can see it. There it goes. 2 ports. This is whenever I have shore power, I can just plug in any extension cord directly into there and power everything without using those 12-volt batteries. And then here is the solar connection, so I have it set up for the quick disconnect SAE connectors, and I can use pretty much any solar panel because I have the adapters go from the solar panel directly into there, which feeds into a charge controller. So before I open it, this is the back. It has 2 handles here. Let's open that up. 1, 2. The back galley isn't complete. Still got to work on this, so it's unpainted and everything. But this is where I just store everything. Right now, it's just storage. So I have a table, I have a sink. So I have a gallon with also the electric pump, so I could use that as a sink. Carry propane, cooking kits, cooler, camping setups, power outlet up there. 2. Let me get that light out of the way. There you go. See it up here? Where is it? 2 lights up top. Those turn on automatically, motion sensor lights. And then behind all this, so in a Home Depot bucket, because you can't go wrong with those. You can use it for anything, for trash or whatever. This is probably, I want to say about 24 by 10 inches. So inside, I'm not going to take everything out just to open this lid. But inside is all the electrical. So I do have this charge controller coming from the outside. And it all feeds into a 12-volt battery. I also have, you see the wires. All of those go into there, connected to a fuse box and everything. I'll see if I have a picture of that setup. I'm just throw that on here so you can sort of see. And then I still have to put some shelving, some more straps, or just figure out, because this is mostly storage. I'm not going to make it into a full kitchen setup. But struts hold it up just fine. Again, the door doesn't have anything fancy. It's just to close it up. Oh yeah, there's sort of see underneath there. This is where I just carry extra stuff. So there's going to be some straps, extension cords. What else went in there? Some chargers, longer extension cords, and things like that. Let's close this up. And that's pretty much what that build is. So if I haven't already posted all the pictures, I'll post them real quick here. It started out just bare bones trailer, which I used to use for motorcycles. Now the motorcycle just goes up front, and it's only for one now. But yeah, I just started building it up, insulated, saw tons of videos online, so I decided just to make my own, and it works really well. Really only designed for one person, but it's for me to just go out for a few days, take the bike out, do some riding, and then head back. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions on the build. It's pretty simple. So it's made out of plywood and fiberglass outer for the waterproofing, and then I painted it with automotive paint. Probably just should have gone with exterior house paint, and then try to figure out waterproofing for that, even though that's sort of waterproof. Because the automotive paint, I thought it would come out a lot better than it did, but I'm also not a pro painter, so it's just as good as it got there. So I might fix it, because maybe put some aluminum skin on top, like this diamond plate here. It's just a sticker, a vinyl sticker went over. Eventually we'll have real diamond plate, but overall came out well. Took a few weeks here and there of total actual time to make, because I only work on it a couple hours at a time. But so far it's been great. Weighs almost nothing. I think it's 1,000 pounds. So even with the bike loaded up, it actually handles even better. You can tell it pretty much anything. Yeah, that's a nice little trailer build. If you have any questions on it, just post them in the comments. But thanks for watching.